In this video, we are going to discuss about the global variable and the local variable in JavaScript. We have already talked about the function in JavaScript. So in this video, it is easy for you to understand about the local variable and global variable because you have already understood about the concept about the function in JavaScript. First of all, let's create here the new file and give the file name as local global variable.html. And let's use the boilerplates, and also let's change this document into the global global and local variables variables. Okay. Now to write the HTML JavaScript code, we can use the script tag from here, and inside this script tag, so let's write here. Let's create here the one function. Before creating the function, let's understand theoretical part about the local variable and then the global variable. Local variable means we can access this value in a specific area within a function or the block. And global variable means we can access this variable or method outside of these functions also. And also we can access it from anywhere in the program, right? So first of all, let's create here the one function. And to create the function, we know that we have to use the function keyword, and we can give the function name whatever we want. I'm writing here the my function, and inside this function, let's create here the one local variable. Let's put the let a equal to 5, and this is my local variable. And if I write here the document.write, and if I print the value of it by clicking on the go live options, this code is running, and you can see here nothing is output here because we are creating here one function. So we must have to call this function to execute its code, right? I'm writing here the my function, and you can see I got the 5 as the output. And this is the local variable, local variable. And if I try to access this value outside of this function, is it possible to access this value? So I can create here the one another function and just remove this local variable inside here. And if you go to the browser, nothing is outputting here. And to find out the error or to debug the code, just click on the right click and just click on the inspect. And after that, click on the console. Now you can see here is a error. A is not defined at my function. It means that, okay, we have to also change the my function name from here. My function is, this is one function, and my function one is another function, right? And if I call this function at first, my function one, and if I see the output here, now a is not defined here. And if I click here, this a is not defined here because it can't access this a value outside of this function. It means that this function, this value of a is defined in the my function, and I'm trying to access this a value into the my function one, which is not possible, right? And this is the this is about the local variable. But if I remove this let a equal to 5 from outside of this function, and if I go to the browser, now I got the 55. This is actually not 55. I have to put here the break line, document.write line or simple write, and then use the br tag. And if I go to the browser again, now you can see 5 and then the 5. It means that at first, let's go see the code. At first, this let a equal to 5, this is the global variable. This is not local variable, right? This is global variable, variable. So it can be accessible from the my function also, and it display the value of 5 from here. And also it will accessible from the my function 1, and it will display the value of 5 from here. So this is all about the global variable and local variable. Also, you can put this let a equal to 5 before calling the function, right? Now also we will get the 5 and the 5, but we cannot put this let a equal to 5 after calling this function. This will show the error because before calling this function, you must have to use the global variable from here. But it is best practice to put global variable at the top, right? So this is all about the global variable and then the local variable. If you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can simply mail me. And if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.